everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Amanda. I'm a motivational speaker and public figure. I talk about social issues on here that I think need to be addressed. So let's get started. Today's video is going to be about the Amazon rainforest and how you can help. So if you do not already know, the Amazon rainforest has been on fire for like a week or two now, and it's really scary because that means we're having more global warming effects. So if you do not already know, the Amazon rainforest has been on fire for like a week or two now, and it's really scary because that means we're having more global warming effects. But there are ways to help. I'll be highlighting just a few ways to help, but if you want to get more involved and learn more about this, I suggest going to the WWF website or the Rainforest Action Network, which I will link both down below. The most important thing to do is educate yourself about this issue and spread the word to family and friends. Also, reduce your oil consumption. Burning oil, gas, and coal is the primary cause of climate change, a trend that is threatening the sustainability of global climate. To help protect the unique species in the Amazon rainforest, do not eat rainforest meat. This is often found in fast food and processed beef. This is to save endangered species. Contact your elected officials and make your voice heard. Also, if you can, donate to the Rainforest Action Network to protect an acre of the Amazon rainforest. You could also donate to WWF's emergency fund for Amazon fires. Lastly, just some basic tips. Stop using plastic. Plastic does not decompose and ends up harming the earth and its animals. Look for plant-safe products, and buy Dawn dish soap. Dawn donates and partners with companies to keep wildlife safe. Those are all my tips for how to help the Amazon rainforest. Thank you so much for watching. I'll leave the links down below if you want to go check them out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!